Have you ever wondered why some people get respect, attention, and kindness, while others get ignored? Even if they're smarter, kinder, or more talented. It's not luck, it's not personality, it's behavioral science. Today, I'm giving you 9 of the strongest steps from the book Captivate by Vanessa Van Edwards. That can change how people treat you starting today. No soft talk, just what works. Let's start. Step 1. First impressions. People decide how they see you in seconds, so don't let the moment decide for you. You take control. Walk in with calm energy. Lift your head. Slow down your pace. Look like someone who knows where they're going. When your entrance is strong, people's behavior automatically adjusts. Step 2. Understanding people. You can't treat every person the same. Some people like direct talk. Some need warmth. Some need space. Pay attention to how fast they talk, how much they share, their tone. When you speak to people the way they like to be spoken to, they treat you better. Step 3. Reading faces. Faces tell the truth before words do. Notice, tight jaw equals stress. Fake smile equals discomfort. Raised brows equals surprise or curiosity. Eyes moving away equals boredom. When you read faces right, you respond right. And people feel understood, which builds trust fast. Step 4. Confidence signals. Real confidence is quiet, not loud. Speak slower. Keep your hands visible. Use pauses. Stand still when you talk. These tiny signals tell people, I'm in control. And the moment they feel that, they treat you with more respect. Step 5. Creating boundaries the right way. People don't respect those who have no limits. A boundary can be as simple as, I have 10 minutes. I can't do that today. That tone doesn't work for me. A calm boundary is stronger than any argument. Step 6. Clear communication. Stop using 20 words when 6 words are enough. Don't say, I was wondering if maybe we could. Say, let's do this at 3. Simple language equals powerful presence. Step 7. Avoid over-apologizing. Unless you did something wrong, don't say, sorry. Replace with, thanks for waiting. Let's continue. I appreciate your patience. Respect goes up when you stop apologizing for existing. Step 8. Body language. Your body speaks first, your words second. Open posture, relaxed shoulders, hands free, not hidden. Stable eye contact. This tells people, you can't push me, but I'm not here to fight. The perfect balance. Step 9. Building respect through behavior. Respect is not given, it's trained. Be consistent. Do what you say. Keep your word. Don't react fast. Don't chase people. Your behavior teaches people how to treat you. Now here's the real question. Which of these 9 steps do you think will make the biggest difference in your life right now? Tell me in the comments. I actually pay attention to them. And if you want more videos that help you understand people, control your space, and get the respect you deserve, hit subscribe. Not because you should, but because the next video might be the one that changes everything for you.